This is Doug Gabbard, practicing photography. This is going to be a tip that I wish I had gotten when I first started. I got it, but I really didn't listen and didn't really understand. You'll hear photographers say, take photos in RAW, take photos in RAW. And if you look at my screen here, I have got both cards. I have two cards in my camera. It's a higher end camera. So I have two memory cards, and I got them both set to RAW. And you'll notice I am at the very, very beginning menu item of my camera, and most likely it'll be the same for yours, whether you're shooting Canon, Nikon, Fuji, Sony, Olympus, probably doesn't matter. But look for the icon that looks like a camera, and you'll see something that says image quality or something similar to that. As I said, mine are both on RAW. If I click the button to select them, I can change one or both of them to JPEG. This top row and that S2 at the bottom are all JPEG. That's your highest quality JPEG with a nice smooth arc on it, and you can see it changes on different levels of JPEG. If you want to shoot just JPEG, please use the highest quality. There are probably some use cases. I have one when I do time lapses, I do smaller JPEGs. But for the most part, I shoot pretty much predominantly RAW. Where I get tripped up is if I have done something and I've switched it to JPEG, is I need to remember to come back in here and change it back. So if I set it such as I do RAW on one and JPEG on the other, that's a common setup. But I recently have decided to just do nothing but RAW, so I am going to leave it on RAW and RAW for both. It records the same photo on both cards, so if one card fails, it gives me a good photo to take. But as I said at the beginning, this is one tip I wish I would have paid better attention to from photographers, is to set your photos to RAW. If you can do RAW and JPEG, do both, even if it goes to the same card. Save them all, and someday you're going to look back and you're going to wish, if you hadn't done it, you're going to wish you had done RAW photos so you could recover some of the images because they were underexposed or a little bit overexposed. There's a lot of things you can do with RAW that you cannot do with a JPEG. You may not be ready for it today, but if you are headed that direction, start shooting in RAW now. Just save the files. You don't have to do anything with them, but yeah, I wish I'd learned that tip a long time ago. It's Doug Gabbard, practicing photography, getting better one photo at a time.